Word up, sharticles. Typewriter Series number 472 today. Weird wee paper. Look at this little guy. Dapper little gent. Whatever. I like this one. If we shall never meet, fill me with your absence. Teach me of that silence by screaming into my ears. Where you are I am not, but bring me close by dreaming of me. If these paths, lives, dreams, wishes cross not, let me feel the hole in my breath. One kiss, one dance with your eyes entangle with your hope, and I am lost, lost within you. You, I love, shall we meet? If not, if so, fill me. That's pretty romantical. I love you a lot. Have a cool day. I'll see you soon.